2, so I didn't film anything after yesterday. Well, elevator's moving. Because I didn't have enough time, but I'm in the outro for me, myself, and Pi's video for Friday. There's music, but alright, so I'm gonna be back. I'll be back in the hall in a minute. It's 5:15 or no, 7:15 right now. So I'll see you later. These are designs for the tattoos in the tattoo parlor. Brilliant. 3x3s are There's. Hey, Billy. Hey, Christian.
You already beat me. I'm gonna get DNF.
What's sitting here? I don't know. It's here.
Oh yeah. So yeah. What are you planning on averaging in your service today?
What do I do?
Time to go for him. 9:40.
Yep, I haven't really improved much.
Dude, they have a bunch of edges.
Wait for the camera.
I hate edges.
Oh yeah? Not you.
Oh, is that a Rubik shirt?
Okay, so I thought I had a lot of puzzles. This guy's name is Alex.
How many puzzles do you have?
Look how much he has.
How many puzzles do you have total?
I think about 250.
These are all of his. This makes my collection look very tiny.
They're actually not all.
Like my collection's Rhode Island. Your collection's Canada.
But yeah, I have more in my house. And some of my friends have than me.
I gotta keep looking. You can open up a store now.
Yeah, I know.
I'm back to like
1.
Sub 20.
Yay!
But then again, one corner was twisted.
Yeah, because I twisted a corner.
And I untwisted it really quick. But then again, I don't know if that would... I mean, it saved me a PLL.
Oh, really?
Or an OLL, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Because I don't know if it was the other corner that was turned or not, but... Excuse me, are you Red KB?
I am. What's your name?
Christian.
Christian, nice to meet you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good.
Good.
So, you competing today?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
I ran out of time.
Should I start?
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
good.
think I have one left in there. Actually, never mind. Two bets.
Oh, gosh.
Solid.
Let me see your bag a minute. I want to get something.
16.
Cool. I like that. I think it's pretty cool. You want to try it?
Sure.
Do you have your Rubik copter on you?
No, I didn't bring it. I figured there'd be plenty of Kirby copters, but I don't know. Are there? Well, that's a helicopter. Yeah.
No one's going to sell it to me, though.
That's right. Well, I wouldn't say sorry. Like, I bought it for a reason. I like my puzzles.
Play with the gear mix up. Let me take a video.
Yeah. What is that? Oh. That's probably my favorite. That's my favorite one, I think.
I don't know how to do this.
Oh, yeah, so you tap on a side.
Yeah, I know
and it
it's
turns.
difficult though, but
It's kind of hard to watch. If it's upside down, it turns counterclockwise. And if it's this way, it turns clockwise. So
yeah, it's
anyway, it's
Can I see
pretty.
it?
Yeah. Interesting. See if you can solve it.
Oh, ready? I got
So do these make the solve harder? These little pieces here?
Those little pieces, no, they're actually connected directly to the corners.
I see.
So they don't really matter.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I see. Yeah.
But it's cool because it's like an unlocked gear cube because
Yeah.
it turns 90 degrees every side. So.
And it actually and it moves the gears too, unlike the extreme and the ultimate.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So here's
I don't
my
have
other
enough
one.
money, so.
This is like this is
Crazy
that's
Bag.
crazy. Oh, that's awesome.
Here's another fun one. This one is the
Gassy gear.
Oh, the
gas gear. Oh, it's scrambled right now, but you just have to take this out. That's all.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the only instruction.
And everyone swarms.
And yeah, and so it's pretty cool. Twists. And
Do you have any others?
So this is the only non-twisty I have. But brought anyway. So what else we got here? This is a fun
the
one.
house cube.
This is my house cube.
Oh, that's cool.
I made the puzzle and then I had a friend make the stickers. So my friend painted these, and then I scanned them and sent them to like I forget what
Shapeways.
but they
Siamese cube, dyno cylinder,
Yeah, sure.
the gear ball, the
I love how everybody's taking the red
gear
shirt.
shift. What else? Oh, the Lego
perfect.
cube. I see the Lego cube.
I feel special. I'm next to Felix. I'm definitely not that cool.
Let's see, 25, 30, 31, 21. So I got a few core solves, but then
Oh,
25, 30, 30, 31, 25.
Oh, okay.
Or 21, I mean.
I was so happy. Like, I never thought I could do a sub 20 in the top.